Hey, it's Heidi from A Lively Hope. In the next few days, I'm going to be starting my first English paper piecing project. I am using these large, they're I think 3 inches across, English paper piece templates and these linen colors. But as I'm preparing for this project, I'm putting everything into a basket just so that I can keep it on hand and have it all available and ready when I have a little time to work on it. I realized that I'm going to want to have a little pincushion in the basket with these things. And so I had the idea to make a tiny, pyramid shaped pincushion today. So here's my plan. I've got a square. This is just like a cream colored felt that I had on hand already. And you can kind of get an idea. I'm going to be putting this together in a pyramid shape like this. So first I'm going to do some stitching on it because that's just my preference and what I choose to do. And then I'll just use blanket stitch to stitch everything together. Should be a really fun, simple, and beautiful project.